Woohoo! Yeah!
Really, Dad?
What? I was just, still feeling the energy of the gig. Whoa! He came from the sky. I'm a big fan of your son's music. I want Bodi and True Blue to open for Lil Foxy.
The Lil Foxy?
Who?
Whoa.
Oh, let the boy have his dream, Compa.
Whoa! We have the best tour bus in the world. Wow.
I've run the numbers. I think you can headline the Save Rock and Roll Park benefit concert if you're willing to make a few changes.
Changes? Be bodacious. This is what it takes to make it.
This summer,
With that musical blue energy, I could control the music world.
it's showtime. From the award-winning producers of Clifford the Big Red Dog,
Show him he can't take anything from you.
comes an adventure about
Something is wrong. Snow Mountain is angry.
Let's go.
banding together,
Can you forgive me? I wanted it so badly that I forgot who I was.
finding your voice,
True Blue together?
You too, Francis.
True Blue forever!
and staying true to you. Let's do this.
It's not the dog in the fight. It's the fight in the dog.
Just believe in yourself. Like I do.
I will, Dad.
Rock Dog 2, Rock Around the Park.
Look what we had made for you!
Get ready to bark and roll.